Hi there, I'm Claire, Go Higher West Yorkshire's National Collaborative Outreach Programme Campaign Manager. And as such, I am here to tell you about some really exciting resources that we've produced and are launching as part of our National Apprenticeship Week and National Careers Week activity. First up, we have Headstart. This is a campaign that's been developed to help raise awareness around higher level and degree apprenticeships. It's led by video case studies of young apprentices themselves and their employers from across our region, covering multiple industries. All the campaign content, including the videos themselves and a really helpful website with pretty much everything you need to know about these apprenticeships, is available to look at for anyone. And that's www.ghwyheadstart.co.uk. However, we have formatted these video case studies into a really engaging workshop that can be delivered in classrooms and community centres to anything from 10 to 30 people. It takes about 40 to 50 minutes to deliver. If you're interested in delivering this workshop, we can send you out a workshop pack. All the videos are on here, it's super easy to use, and it comes complete with instructions on how to get the most from the resource. You can request this by emailing us at hello@gohigherwestyorks.ac.uk or visiting our website. Next up, we've got the employability campaign, Inspire to Go Higher, based on how real parents and carers from across the region have worked on key employability skills with their young people. Again, we know that videos connect very well, so everything is told through video storytelling and case studies of the best way to work with your young person on everything from communication to self-belief to team building. These videos live on a dedicated microsite that can be accessed from our main Go Higher website. They're accompanied by a handy PDF that's called Employability Essentials, which explains the employability basics and is available for anyone to download. And at the end of each video, we've summarised some tips and hints as to how to work on that particular employability skill with your young person at home. At Go Higher, we really want you to benefit from all the great resources and information that we produce. So I hope that this little vlog has encouraged you to go online and do just that, or get in contact so that we can send you out one of our fantastic Headstart packs. Thanks very much.